Welcome, X users. In today's video, we'll walk you through a full guide on how to allow only accounts you follow to reply to your posts in X. Sometimes, you may want to have more control over who can engage with your content. Let's dive into the steps and learn how to make it happen in X. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the user interface. Step 2. Look for the pluses icon, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen. Tap on it to create a new post. Step 3. Create your post by typing in what you want to share. Let your thoughts and ideas flow. Step 4. Now, it's time to customize who can reply to your post. Locate the bottom drawer or section where it says everyone can reply. If it already says accounts you follow, you're good to go. If not, tap on it to switch it to accounts you follow. By allowing only accounts you follow to reply to your post, you can curate a more personalized and selective conversation. And there you have it. You've successfully set your post to allow only accounts you follow to reply in X. Enjoy meaningful interactions and engage with the connections that matter most to you. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.